Look, some hunkers. Look, guys, Canadian hunkers. They're gonna probably leave when I walk up on them, but we are in Canada. They might attack me. I know, I hear you guys. You're honking at me. Yeah, I know. Well, let's get a couple shots of you. Yeah, you're cute. Oh, you're giving me the head nod. That's always a good sign. It means he's in a good mood and he totally wants to hug us. Well, this is where an idiot gets hit by a goose. They're gonna fly. Later, guys. Later.
They're so pretty.
I love them.